So here's the good news. There's lots of existing knowledge for faulty state management failure modes. One well-known failure mode is states being stuck due to missing code to start a transition when conditions for that transition are made. That's wordy, so we'll come back to it later. Another is the software missing a state or a state transition, which means we forgot the code that makes our smart lock lock. Another is unstable software from an unexpected loss of power or an unexpected user abort while in a particular state. This could mean our software assumes the lock is locked after the batteries run flat, even when it isn't. Other software failure modes involve the software missing a fault or safe state, like when software engineers don't plan for inevitable problems in their code, software missing a transition to a fault or safe state, and when the fault or safe state behavior is inappropriate for its mission, which is a term militaries use, but here simply means the smart lock use case. Don't forget, faults include unanticipated user behaviors, and those happen all the time. The software could also execute a prohibited transition to another program or accept a prohibited transition from another program, like when the software incorrectly believes it needs to unlock the lock every time it tries to lock. And finally, another well-known software failure mode is the software allowing the system to be in more than one state at a time because part of our code thinks the lock is unlocked while another part thinks it's locked. These are 8 common software failure modes where our item thinks it's doing one thing when in fact it's doing another. And they all came from a table published by the United States Defense Acquisition University called the Common Defect Enumeration, or CDE. The Common Defect Enumeration includes failure mode groups like faulty state management, error handling, timing, functionality, data definition, processing, and more. So the Common Defect Enumeration helps us understand possible failure modes faster.